right, so now our topic is recycling of paper. How can we recycle paper for our own use? So let us start with this topic. Take piece of newspapers, magazines, used envelope and notebooks. So these all must be old. ये सब पुराने होने चाहिए, जो आपने यूज कर चुका है, आपने कुछ भी नया नहीं लेना है. Yes? And also you have to take a frame fitted with a wire mesh or a net. Means somewhat like this. This frame you have to take, and this purpose of the frame we will discuss further in this topic. Somewhat like this. Wire mesh का होना चाहिए इस तरीके का frame. Yes? So this is the frame we are talking about. We have taken some old paper, newspapers, magazine, notebooks, and then we have taken the frame fitted with the wire mesh, somewhat like this. Now, tear the paper into small pieces. जो हमने above mentioned हमने papers लिए हैं, उसको small pieces में हमने tear करना है, and then we have to put them in a bucket or a tub, and also we have to pour water in it. So क्या करना है, हमें bucket लेना है, उसमें हमें pieces of paper डालना है, and then we have to put water in it. Yes? So these things we have taken till now. Next is let it remain for a day. एक दिन तक pieces of paper को पानी में ही रखना है and make a thick paste of paper by pounding it. Means what they are telling us to do कि ये जो पेपर है एक दिन तक हमने रखा, बाद में उसका thick paste बना लिया, somewhat like this. आपने क्या करना है, उसको properly mix करना है, mix कर करके पहले pieces of paper थे, then हमने उसको mix कर दिया अच्छे से, pound किया properly, and then we have made a thick paste like this. Yes? After that, what we will do, we are going to spread the wet paste on the wire mesh fixed to the frame. इसी को जो thick mesh हमने ये बनाया है paste, इसको हमने कहाँ रख देना है, इस wire mesh के ऊपर. Yes? We have to spread it. निकालना है इसको, and then we have to spread this paste on this wire mesh. Getting my point? Now, pat it gently to make a uniform layer of the paste. What we have to do, we have spread the whole paste on the wire mesh like this, and then we have to pat it. See my action. See, this is what I'm doing. I'm patting it slowly ताकि जो हमारे पास पेस्ट है वो यूनिफॉर्मली हर जगह स्प्रेड हो जाए वायर मेश पे. Right? Now, let the water drain off or dry it. क्या करना है, ये वेट करना है मेश पे डाल के ताकि मेश के नीचे से पानी निकल जाए जो एक्स्ट्रा हो इसके अंदर, and let it dry for a while. Yeah? Now carefully remove the layer of paste from the frame. पेस्ट निकाल लिया हमने, and then we have to keep it on a newspaper. इसी को निकाल के हमने एक पेपर पे रख दिया like this. स्प्रेड कर दिया हमने अपना जो भी हमारे पास पेस्ट था on a newspaper. Got it? Now, next what we have to do is we will add food color and pieces of dry leaves or flower petals, pieces of colored paper. Means जब हम इसे dry कर रहे हैं, and also we are drying this paste in sunlight. Yes? हमने क्या करना है, इसको sunlight में dry करने के लिए रख देना है, and while it is being dried outside, we have to add various food colors. You can add food colors, add कर दिए हमने, dry leaves add कर दी हमने, dry leaves add कर दी हमने. What else we can add? Colored paper. Colored paper means depends आपको किस तरीके का पैटर्न चाहिए, आप वो चीज यूज कर सकते हैं, and you can add in this paste while it is being dried in the sunlight. Getting my point? So it will form a beautiful pattern like this. See, in this picture you can see that we have made a proper shape of this paste while it was drying, and then also we have added different type of food colors or dry leaves or many other colorful leaves we can say, and also flowers. आप flowers भी add कर सकते हैं. Also, we have added some colored paper as well. As you can see that it looks really pretty basket that is made out of a recycled paper. So you see कि जो हमने recycle किया है उसका purpose, अभी हम वो फेंक देते, but उसको फेंकने की जगह हमने कितनी सुंदर चीज बना ली that we can put it in our living room as well. So such type of activity you can try at your home कि आपके पास जो चीज यूज में नहीं आ रही है you can modify it, उसका कोई क्राफ्ट बना के you can decorate it at your home also.